Welcome to a new video, and today we have a little mod for the Beamer. That is to replace those ugly halogen bulbs for that LED headlight kit. So let's get started. These are the current halogen bulbs, halogens in the bottom. We're replacing those later. Right now we're gonna do those. All right, so we have to come back here behind the wheel. Turn the wheel a little, remove this cover that he has there to access the low beam light. Once that's removed, you'll have access to a tab right there, and then you just gotta stick your hand in there and replace the bulb. All right guys, so we got one installed. I did have to remove the tire so I could have easier access to back here. So yeah, let's get the other side installed and we'll be done for today's video. Alright guys, that is it. Took a little time. I had to remove the wheels, as I said, but now we got LEDs. Next we're going to do the fog lights and the driving lights, DRLs, and everything else. We're going to turn it into LED. It's hot outside, so yeah, I had to do this before I went into work. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed.